in physics lab. This is our physics lab, and there are different types of apparatus that we use in our daily life for experimentation, observation. Here is our principal sir to observe this lab. So let's start. This is our green board to write different types of experiment in the lab and for setting purpose of students. Let's start our apparatus. This is our sonometer to measure or detect the sound of different objects, and here is also another apparatus, that is meter bridge, to check the different dimension, and there is rheostat and different types of voltmeter, galvanometer, diode, and there is also this is diode, PN junction diode, to observe different types of gate in physics, and this is ammeter, and there is another apparatus, that is battery, and this is resistance box to observe different types of resistance of different objects, and there is measuring bar, and also one of the most usable optical bench to detect the mirror and lens dimension in this optical bench, and here we check the chemical balance to measure the difference. Check. Yes.
क्या पेस्ट कर रखते हैं अच्छा फिर किए
Yes.
It is so amazing.
Yes, sir. So
You can see
this is for measuring purpose, exact measuring purpose, that is chemical balance, and there are different types of weight in this. You know that weight are in milligram.
ये मिलीग्राम में है ये
Yes. And this is tone to detect the sound.
sound.
Yes, sir. And this is another apparatus.
How can we detect sound from this instrument?
If we take some water in a glass apparatus, then we touch the tone, then there is a vibration. So this vibration produce sound, and we detect the different frequency of the signals. This is again we see the PN junction diode to detect the different types of gauge, and that is the most similar apparatus in our lab. That's Ohm's law apparatus. Then again there is diode, and there are different types of voltmeter, galvanometer, potentiometer, and this is the potentiometer bridge to check the different dimensions. This is also voltmeter,
ये किस में
and there are two
वायर
terminal to connect the wire, that is the positive and negative. So this needle deflect. When it deflect, then we check the reading. And there are different types of lens, like double curvature lens and mirror also.
ये इसमें
And
ग्लास
this is the glass prism to check the dispersion of light. So there are different types of apparatus in our labs for different experiments, and all these apparatus are beneficial to students to improve in high attitude. So it is our physics lab. This is the Vernier scale. Vernier scale 2.5 centimeter to detect the different types of readings when we carry a experiment. Glass slab, weight.
Can you put out this, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
This is the glass slab to detect the different types of experiment in refraction and reflection of light. And this is the battery eliminator, rheostat. So this is our amazing lab. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.